Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I am Revati, and today I want to talk about the finance because it is the one thing that we are ignoring. This is the one thing that we should be learn. This is we are all craving for, we are all running for, right? So let's talk about it. Initially, let me ask this question: When you are growing up, what did your parents teach about the money? Study hard, get a good job, and saves whatever is left. That's it, right? That's what most of us got actually. But nobody ever sat us down and said, here's how the stock market works, and here's what inflation doing to your savings account, and here's why your fixed deposit losing its value in real terms, and how the rich people actually build their wealth. We learned math, history, science, but the only one subject that directly controls your entire adult life, that is money. Nobody ever taught us, not even in school, colleges, homes, not in economic class also. That silence has a price, very expensive one. Let's talk about the rich people. Not at an Ambani level, but someone whose father is a businessman or a investor. So now that kid grows up hearing dinner table conversations about market, property, where to put the money, and why. That kid sees their parents taking financial decisions, and he observes without even realizing it. So by the time he is 20, he already thinks like someone who understands about money. He didn't study it, he just lived around it. That's the financial awareness, and most of us never got it, not because we are dumb, but because nobody around us had it either. It just never reached our homes. So here's what happens because of that gap. The people with no financial awareness, they get the salary, put their salary in a savings account, and feel safe. But that account gives you a 3% interest, and inflation is already running at 6%. So your money is already losing its value by before it did. So now you're actually losing your money. You are not saving anymore. So the people with financial awareness moves their money to the place that beats the inflation, whether it may be mutual funds, index funds, real estate businesses, whatever it may be. Now their money can fight back against that inflation. So financial awareness is knowing that taking a loan at 18% interest to buy a phone is a terrible idea, and it's understanding that EMI that feels affordable today might trap for 5 years. And it's all about understanding between what is assets and what is liabilities. It's not a complex knowledge, but nobody give it to you. You have to go and find it yourself, because most of the people don't even know they have to suppose it to go low. That is the problem. It is not about rich versus poor or investor versus non-investor. It is always been about financially aware versus financially blind. It is very scary that a person can be earn decent, can be live responsibly, he can be work hard, but he can still be financially blind, financially behind, and he can still be one medical emergency away from wiping out everything that he saved. Because earning money and understanding money is two are completely different skills. So we have to understand that, and being financially aware is not making us rich overnight, but it just stop you from unknowingly making yourself poorer every single day. So just be aware of it, because financially aware is not the thing that you have to skip, because your entire adult life will be controlled by that only. How can you skip that, right? So you have to be understand that, and it is the one thing you have to be minded. So even though you are 18-year-old, you have to understand everything. So that's it. And if you have any queries or any something to talk about, you just comment on the comment section. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video.